Hello friends, and welcome to the Creative Connors Stagehand Pro RS485 communication upgrade tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to properly install the two resistors provided in your upgrade kit. This is a tutorial for the Mitsubishi A700 VFD, the A700. If you have the A800 model, there's a link to the appropriate tutorial video on the description below. So let's get started. I've already disconnected my Stagehand Pro from all power, laid it down on the large permanent side, and removed the side panel. I've also gathered the items I'll need for installation. That is a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and the two 680 ohm resistors that were included with the upgrade documentation. So, I'm going to unplug my Cat 5 cable from the VFD, and now I'll loosen the two screws on the side of the case. These screws loosen, they do not come all the way out. It's a nice feature, you can't lose them inside your enclosure. And then I'll just pick up gently from the bottom and the side, and the cover will snap off, so I can set that aside. And now I'm going to look at the terminal block here at the top of the VFD. This is where we're going to be installing our resistors. So, the two resistors will be installed from here, which is VCC, to here, which is TXD+, and from here, which is GND, to here, which is TXD-. So I'll get one of my resistors, and I will install the first leg down here in VCC, and tighten it with my little tiny screwdriver. And I'm just going to give it a gentle tug and make sure that it's seated properly. And then I'm going to take my second resistor, add it to GND, and tighten down on its leg. And again, a gentle tug. And now I will install the two top legs. The one from VCC will go to TXD+. You should be able to reach in between these wires with your screwdriver. And the other resistor will install into TXD-. And I'll give those both a gentle tug to make sure they can't come out. The other thing I want to check is that they're both straight up and down. The resistors should not cross each other, and I want to make sure that any of the exposed metal from the legs can't touch each other. So the last thing I want to check before I close this back up is that my discrete RXD wiring is correct. My brown and white wire should be installed into the terminal that is for RXD-, and my RXD+ should have the plain brown wire. And you can see there are little plus and minus marks up here. So that's it for the installation. I'm going to return the cover to the VFD. It'll snap right back into place. And I will tighten down my two screws so that it can't come off. And last but not least, I will reinstall my Cat 5 cable. So, now I can remove any foreign materials like my tools from the stagehand. I can replace my side panel and continue with the parameter adjustment portion of the upgrade. I hope this tutorial was useful in helping you to make it move.